today I wanted to go through with you and show you the MacBook Air that I recently purchased. We're gonna go through the Apple Store and set it up, but I will show you later on that I have actually already purchased the MacBook Air M1. I didn't go for the M1 Max or Pro, just the regular M1. For a laptop, I couldn't justify the price tag of $2,000 for a laptop that I will primarily use during travel. So anyway, let's go and set it up on the Apple Store. So I'm going to go to my stuff closed. I wonder why. Chrome. Then we're going to go to the store. Here we go. So, and then from here I go to Mac. And I go to the MacBook Air. And then I go to buy. And as you can see, my 2009 iMac is taking its sweet time to load anything these days. Alright, so here's the MacBook Air that I purchased. I spec'd it out as much as possible, except for I didn't get the 2 terabyte SSD. I got the 1 terabyte, but everything else is set to the max. So I got the gray, or not, actually I'm not sure if it was the gray one. I believe it's the silver one. Yeah, this is space gray, and but we can check again. I got the silver one, and I set it and then clicked select. And here you go, you see how slow my Mac is. Okay, so I added another 200 by maximizing the unified memory. Went with the 16 gig. And then I went with the 1 terabyte SSD. And then for the English, I selected Arabic. And I did confirm that whenever you choose a foreign language for the keyboard, it comes with both English and that language you selected. So, and then of course I chose no software. And here's what you would get in the box. You get the HSBC charge cable and the 300 watt USB-C adapter, power adapter. And then you click add to the bag. And then you would review your order. and here it is. Let's remove the AirPod 2nd generation because I have that extra. But let's see the total with just the Mac. And this would be the total. Although I think mine was a little bit cheaper. I didn't, and so when I ordered it, it was around 1,600 something in total. Not just and not this. Well, I guess that's the tax, and then there's another recycling fee for California of $4. But I swear that my order was less than that. And so we're gonna remove the product now, but this is the MacBook Air that I ordered, and I paid for it using my Apple card. So yeah, and I'm excited, and just to prove that it is coming, let's remove this first and minimize the browser. And here in a second, you'll see, here it is. Okay, guys. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this short little video of my new MacBook Air order. And comment, subscribe, and like this video. It really helps out the channel. And I will see you all in the next video.